YouTubers, how are we? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. All still in lockdown, none of us are riding our bikes, but just before lockdown I got out my trials bike again with my 360. So this week, bit of practice again on the Scorpa 250. If you're interested in seeing the progression of my trials riding, stick around and stay tuned. Whoa, just one sec. Same again, this week guys and girls, 85%, so we're down 1% of you out there watching this video and not subscribed. Come on, hit that subscribe button, click that bell. Every time I upload a video you'll get a notification. Come on, help the channel. We need 1,000 subscribers and we can start using community tab within YouTube. Thanks very much. Here we go, back to the video. Enjoy. So YouTubers, I thought I'd do a bit of a voiceover with this one because all I do is just ride round and round and round. So as you can see, we're near the shore. Bit of a step there to drop down on. We'll just have a ride up here just to warm this bike up a bit really. Nothing worse when it's cold, is there? So yeah, let's get it warmed up. I'll have a run back now and start some practice. One of the hardest things about riding trials is that getting permission to go places. Now I found this little place, it's not bad. As you can see just on the left there's some concrete slabs and things you can climb up. A lot of the stuff that I'm doing at the moment is just basic stuff. So I've just gone up there now, what is it? It's about 2 foot high. 4 or 5 months ago I didn't think you could get up on a motorbike, but you know, the more you do the more you can get up. A bit slow riding around the trees and back down we go again. As they say, practice makes perfect, and that's what it's all about. The problem is with the small stones, then try to get grip as you go up. Sometimes you lose grip and you don't get up, but it's all learning, isn't it? So just down here there's some of the big concrete blocks that have been washed up for the sea defence, and this thing here just on the left here that I'm going to go out and round up and over, it's probably what, it's a fair lump of concrete, 18 inch 2 foot high, which, you know, it's not 10 foot stuff, but you've got to start somewhere, haven't you? But one of the issues is that with having my camera above me, which just cost me 500 quid, I'm not really pushing a great lot because I don't really want to fall off and damage it. A lot of this stuff to a few of you out there will look a bit tame, but to a beginner it's not really. So what I'm courteous of doing, there's somebody walking down with a dog. I'm just going to stop here and kill the engine. We'll just be courteous and pull the plug on the engine. I have to practice that double blip a bit better than that. I'll get some weight off them back pegs. One of them anyway. It's a bit easier on this one, there's a little bit of a kicker there, so the back wheel comes up a bit easier. It's all about timing, isn't it, and just getting used to everything and putting everything together, and it's just a different way of riding. It's just practice, practice, practice. It's all to do with momentum, innit, you know, something like that. I'd never thought you would get a motorbike up it before I started doing stuff like this. You know, I've always wanted to do things like this. It's one of those things it sort of frightens you, doesn't it? You've never done it before. But you just keep pushing and pushing that little bit more. Looking at them things and thinking I can get up there, and then having a go at it. Slow riding again through the trees. Gotta be a bit of slow riding, a bit of balance. So that little bit there, you know, anybody could, if you practiced it enough, you could get up there, no problem, couldn't you? But trying to control it, so you get up to the top and you stop and balance and set off again, which on trial sections I think that's what you need a lot of, isn't it? So as they say, practice makes perfect. Getting there, I think. Just could do with lockdown easing now, and we'll get some trials in. Hopefully that will happen soon, with a bit of luck. What do you think of my progress? Comment down below. If you enjoyed that video as much as I did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, give a big thumbs down. Tell me. As I said before at the beginning of the video, 85% of you not subscribed. Come on, please. Just hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. Every time I upload a video, you will get a notification. Thanks very much to all your subscribers. At the moment, we're touching 500, which is not bad going. Nearly 12 months we've been going. Don't forget, anything you'd like to comment about, anything you want to see down below. There'll be hopefully a review on the ABBA stand. The ABBA stand came a week ago. I've had that in the garage for just about a week. So we'll be doing an oil change on that CCM hopefully soon. So stick around for that. Don't forget to like, tag, share and follow. Tell all your friends how good this channel is, and then we'll get some more subscribers. Be safe, keep safe, don't get COVID, and as they say, we'll see you soon.